you said you're in a new relationship. How long has that relationship been going for?
2 weeks.
New love, bro.
Yeah, it's really.
But he trusts you. You're the only person he trusts.
Very fresh. Okay,
trusts
so I'm guessing you knew the person beforehand for a while, né? And now it's like officially 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You know, so are you officially divorced?
She doesn't want to sign the paper.
You know, it's crazy. I'm sure you got lawyers on your shit, but what do they advise you to do when that's the case?
As I told you, I don't trust a soul.
Yeah.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
But what do you do when someone doesn't? When you got divorced.
Yeah, that's I want to talk about.
Was it clean?
She didn't want to sign.
So how?
Same thing. My
So how did you
want to sign too?
How did you?
You still go to court, bro?
Huh?
You get summoned. Sheriff gets summoned. Go straight to a crib. Give her the letter. Let her know court date. She doesn't show up. Null and void. Clean cut.
So does that mean like
she doesn't sign? She had a chance to
the
come.
marriage gets annulled?
Yes. And there's no splitting of anything.
Yeah. What
You didn't
happens if
arrive. You didn't show up for.
Didn't show up. You could have stated your whole case at that point. You didn't.
So the marriage can end if the other party's not willing to end.
Just sign. Yeah, there's other ways around it.
Okay, cool.
I guess the signature would be for like the agreement, né? It would be like an agreement to something that this is what we're splitting or this is what we're leaving.
Yeah.
But if you don't sign and you don't even show up to court, I'm guessing you are forfeiting, you know, all of that shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy. How old were you when you got married? And you're married too, Tapsi.
I am.
This question is for the
damn.
both of you. How old were you when you got married?
I don't know, but I regret it.
The internet says 23, okay? I know that.
Damn, that makes me sad.
Damn, bro. Yo, but this goes back to what you always say. You say the person that you choose.
Yeah, I said
Quote-
this.
Say that quote again.
I said, you know, I it was a long quote, but I don't remember it verbatim. But I was saying that the person, and it's right after we spoke about your situation. She actually mentioned you, and I was like, yo, Emtee, please come on the show.
Yeah.
The person that you decide to get married to or have kids with, I feel like to have kids with more than get married to.
Yeah.
Person you decide to have kids with is one of the most decisions you ever make in
Most
your
important.
life.
Yeah.
Like your sanity relies on it.
Choose wisely,
Yeah.
kid.
Yeah, like your sanity.
Very wisely.
You know?
Yeah.
Not your pocket, your sanity.
Love
Yeah.
is blind, isn't it?
No, love is blind.
Ooh, hey, listen. That's
No,
a
it is.
fact.
Love is blind.
It
isn't
is.
fact.
It is. It is. It is. You definitely cover your eyes and your ears to a lot of shit that you know your partner might, you know, be at fault at, but it's for love, right?
Yeah.
You know, till death do us parts.
You gotta be stupid for love. If it's real love and you want to go into it and you want to be calculated and smart and
100%.
it's not that.
But Tapsi,
I don't believe that.
you're still
you don't
married.
believe that?
And happily
I am.
married, I'm sure.
I also got married at 23,
Okay.
and I'm still married.
What were you guys doing?
How old are you now?
Bro, I think about that a lot. Like, we were
doing at
children. What are
23,
we doing? Yeah. But I mean, I'm grateful it worked out so far for me.
No, we're grateful.
beautiful.
100%. 100%.
Yeah, 23
You know,
all the
touch
way
wood.
around, bro, including me. 23.
Damn, guys,
so
what is it about the
crazy.
age of 23?
I don't
You know what? I
know.
think that's the age to do something as crazy as getting married. Because
In your 20s.
when you're a bit older, you know too much, you've experienced too much, you've seen too much.
What are
and
you doing? Yeah.
You may not really believe in love and the sanctity of marriage and all those things. Because life will really scar you.
So basically, you're saying at 23, you have the balls.
yeah, and you also don't know anything. So